Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is No.WONDER Zulu, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing Bantu notes, and they are very simple. What I did was I parted my hair, then braided it so that it would be easy for me. So then I spread my hair with water because my hair was dry. Then I then moisturized my hair with Restore Soothing Oil Moisturizer. Then I tried detangling my hair, then ended up using a brush. For twisting, I use Soft and Free Styling Gel. I will insert the picture of the products I used here. So you basically twist your hair. For God's sake, gentle. Please be gentle. Make sure you don't twist too tight because you will have a headache. I didn't stretch my hair for this style, and if you want to stretch your hair, you can do so. So let's talk about my hair a little bit. My hair is 4C and it's high porosity. I've been natural for almost 2 years now. I once relaxed my hair and I didn't like it. So please comment down below, what type of hair do you prefer? Do you prefer relaxed hair or natural hair? Please comment down below and tell me what type of hair do you prefer. I spray water, then use the moisturizer, then go in with my styling gel. After I'm done, I start twisting my hair from the root. Twist until my hair starts guiding me on which direction I should twist when forming my knot. Then I just grab the first part of my hair that is twisted with my other hand, then twist around and twist until I form a knot. I hope you can understand because I still suck at explaining. And I will let you guys watch. I hope you guys see what I'm trying to show you because explaining is more difficult. And guys, I did struggle a bit, and it's nothing much. So we move.
What we do here is go back.